In today's video, I will show you how you can add 1.1, 1.2 numbering in Google Docs. So first I'm going to select my words which I want to number. Then I will click on this numbered list. So I will create one. Now if you want to convert those numbers to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. So what you can do, you can basically click on those numbers or basically click on them, right click, edit prefix and suffix, and here where it says prefix you want to type number 1 dot, and you want to remove everything in the suffix, so you want to make this blank. You can apply it to entire list, and this is it. So you have 1.1, 1.2. If you want to change the margin or spacing between the letter and the number, you can simply drag this rectangle icon blue, so you can make it to the left, and this is going to change this space or indent. If you want to start from the different number, you can select it, right click, edit prefix and suffix. You can type maybe number 2 and then click on OK, and you have 2.1, 2.2, and that's it. So this is how you can add 1.1 numbering in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.